Hi everyone, Sunday the 27th November. Have a quick look at the NASDAQ chart. So this is what I'm looking at the moment. We got our major pull here from the February 2020 lows to the absolute highs, but I'm using the candle bodies as the anchors rather than going off the wicks. You just get better results I find on the NAS, well, all the American markets to be fair. So you can see we're probably a little bit more bearish on here than we are on the Dow if you just watched the last video I done. But let's have a look and see where we might be going. So that's a weekly chart. We'll just bring this down to a daily. You can see we've got a second pull here, which I'm using. This one's coming off the June lows into August highs. It's still in play. And as you can see, the reason I'm still using this set, even though we've got lower lows put in, because when we breached our June lows, it just came into the extensions that I like using, the 112 and the 123, and you can see here it's almost pit perfect out this 123 area. It also corresponds with our 61.8 from the higher pull around about 10,500, although it did breach that, but it's respected that beautifully. So at the moment I'm not going to use these lows as the anchor for the pulls. So we've had a bit of upside last week. Let's bring this down to the hourly. So if anyone was on the call on Friday, I was just pointing out that we've got some nice areas here to look for. So we've got a 70 level here, which is 11,806. I'm looking for shorts below, longs above, keeping it really simple. You can see it's a nice area. It's been respected. We've got some nice respect here. We've got some nice respect here on it. So below here, we're looking for shorts. We've got this fib in fib pull here, which is our 50% level off the higher pull, which it could act like a magnet. We could see some action and get it down to here. But for that to happen, I'm going to want to see this 38 get entered at 11,751, have this little fib set complete, and then we can drop out of it maybe and come down to here. Again, above 806, I'll be looking for longs into this area again, these highs, this fib set. If we can get through this fib set, we'll be at the 61.8, which is a really valid pull, because you can see we've had some cracking rejection straight out of there. Interestingly, I've got another pull on a different chart, which I'll show you. You can see here that it's using this channel really nicely. The 70 to the 76 level is currently holding it. So again, I'm going to want to see this area breached for some more downside. This is a valid long on this chart, but obviously when we blend it with the other chart, we've got this 806 area that we had. So I'm going to want to see it come through there before I take in a long. Although there is a valid long here, but there's not really enough meat on the bone to take it for me. So you can see on this one, this is the one I'll be using on Monday. I want to see something through here, breakthrough, retest, resumption, and then back up to here. So a little bit no man's land at the minute on the NAS. Hope it helps.